Good afternoon class. Today we will discuss about the water cycle. The cyclic movement of water from the atmosphere to the earth and back to the atmosphere through various processes is called water cycle. It is also known as hydrologic cycle. It is also known as hydrologic cycle. Different steps of water cycle includes evaporation, transpiration, condensation, precipitation and surface runoff. So now we first discuss about evaporation. The water present on the surface of ocean evaporates by the sun heats. This process of conversion of water from liquid state to vapor state is called evaporation. Evaporation also takes place from wet cloths, fields, ponds, lakes and rivers. Now we discuss about transpiration. Plants take in water from the soil to prepare their own food and also for other life process. They release excess water into air. They release excess water into air in the form of water vapor. In the form of water vapor by the process of transpiration. Now we discuss about condensation. The evaporated water is carried away by the warm air as the warm air moves higher from the surface of earth. It starts to cool down. This water vapor condenses to form water droplet which float in air to form clouds or foam. Now we discuss about precipitation. All these droplets collect to form bigger drops of water. Bigger drops of water come down as rain by the process of precipitation. If the air is too cold, the drop of water can become snow and may settle on the top of mountain. When these snow melts, they can become part of a river. Now we discuss about surface runoff. Some amount of rainwater is absorbed by the soil and settle down as groundwater. Settle down as groundwater. Most of the rainwater flows down the hills and mountains to collect into rivers or lakes. Rain also washes away the topmost layer of soil into water bodies. Some amount of rainwater, is absorbed by the soil and settle down as a groundwater. Again, I repeated, some amount of rainwater is absorbed by the soil and settle down as a groundwater. So, most of the rainwater flows down the hills, mountain to collect into river. Rain also washes away the topmost layer of soil into water bodies. So, this circulation of water through all these different factors is called as water cycle. This circulation of water through all these different factors is called as water cycle. The water cycle balances the water in nature and helps to regulate weather condition on earth. Thank you.